Hello, welcome to Hengrui Fun Fan Classroom. In the previous video, we talked about the principle and wiring method of single-phase AC fans with start capacitor. In this one, we will talk about another type of single-phase AC fan, the AC fan with a shaded pole motor. In the previous video, we mentioned that the single-phase AC current cannot generate a rotating magnetic field. So how does the shaded pole motor make the rotor rotate? The shaded pole motor has a clever design on the structure of the main magnetic pole. It has a short circuit ring at about 1/3 of the main pole. According to Lenz's law, the induced magnetic field generated by the current of the short circuit ring will hinder the change of the magnetic flux. So the magnetic pole part covered by the short circuit ring will generate a magnetic field lagging behind the main magnetic level. And the superposition of two alternating magnetic fields with different phases is a rotating magnetic field is formed in space to drive the rotor to rotate. Due to its special structure, we only need to connect to a single-phase AC power supply to make it run automatically. So the fan with a shaded pole motor only needs to be connected to 3 wires L, N and P. Shaded pole motors have small starting torque and cannot drive large loads, so they are generally used in small-sized fans, such as 4650N and 4656N, EBM PEP's star cooling products for cabinets. Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.